Baby, you're the one for me. You were meant for me. I'm madly in love with you.
No. Hi guys, if you don't know who I am, my name is Michelle Reed. I go to the King's College in New York City and I'm a senior. I'm starting off a week in my life of college video. You guys loved my last one. So many new friends on this channel. If you're new, subscribe, stick around. Today's actually Tuesday because yesterday was Labor Day, but I don't really have class Mondays anyways. And so right now it is about 10 o'clock. I woke up this morning, I worked out, I made really good avocado toast. I don't have class until 1:30, but I'm gonna go early to eat lunch with my boyfriend. A lot of you guys on my last video were confused about my major, my classes, and I've talked about this before, but if you're new, I am a business management major. At King's, we only have like 5 or 6 majors. But basically, they don't have like an advertising or a marketing degree. It's just business management. So if you want to go in business, you get that business degree. My class tonight is definitely my hardest because it's at night. It's super discussion based, which is not how I personally learn well. Definitely someone who likes to be lectured. Discussing between like other students is just not the way that I personally learn. I'm hoping this class goes better than last week because last week I got a little bit intimidated. I wrote out some video ideas that I want to do. So I have a day in my life of eating. You guys have been asking about healthy college meals, a week of my business casual outfit, being an anxious girl in college, and then my personal health and fitness journey. And then I also have a to-do list today. So I start my week in my life. I need to go over my technology reading for my class tonight. I need to finish a business ethics Quizlet for a quiz I have Thursday. And then I also have readings for my legal studies and business ethics class. I also wanted this vlog to be more so about my work and my schoolwork and my assignments. So I'm actually gonna try to vlog whenever I'm working on stuff and kind of show you guys what I'm doing, show you guys my assignments. So you can just kind of see what my curriculum is like because it's definitely different than a normal college. Today's outfit, my top is from Princess Polly. I think it's really cute and girly. And then my skirt is from J. Crew. It's just one of these like really pretty tan ones that has pockets, which makes it so much better. Of course, I'm just wearing my Lotta from Stockholm clogs. So for my decision analysis class, we have to do a quiz on calculating productivity. So I'm just going over this right now. For my legal studies class, I need to read chapters 5 through 10 of this book. I'm gonna grab some stuff to eat for lunch today. I think I'm just gonna do some falafel. I'm gonna bring an RX bar. Did an ad for these on Instagram, but I truly love them. Some sugar snap peas. And we're off. I picked up dinner because I was gonna go watch the sunset because there are these really nice benches nearby my park. Gnats kept flying into my food. So here I am. I'm pretty drained from my class. I'm just gonna have a chill night.
I think for so many of us, what we need is to gain wisdom.
Wednesday today. Today I just have a night class, and so most of this morning I've just been studying, working on YouTube stuff. I got up my night routine, which you guys are leaving such good feedback on, so thank you. Someone on my last week of my life said, I think you need to have more fun. And I just want to say, I find really mundane, simple things to be really fun. This week I am doing some fun things. I'm doing a photo shoot with Taylor, who is a really sweet photographer. I'm also sleeping over at a friend's house who lives in upstate New York, and we're going hiking and stuff, so I promise. Wearing this sweater, I love it. It's from Princess Polly. It's like off the shoulder, but I'm just trying to wear it kind of like slightly off the shoulder so it's still school appropriate. And then my skirt is from Forever 21. It's just like this dainty pink skirt. I think it's so pretty and flowy, and my shoes are my favorite. These are my Saludos. Headed off. I have not vlogged at all. It's 6:30 at night. I'm gonna give you a really short recap. Went to class in the morning, hung out with my boyfriend Aiden, got lunch with him, and shipped out Poshmark orders. Post office is extremely inefficient. Brings me to right now, I'm about to go work out in the gym downstairs. I don't know what this was. My school actually has a retreat this weekend, but it's optional, and I've gone the past 2 years, and so I kind of just wanted to spend this weekend how I wanted to. But I have the apartment to myself tonight because I don't have class tomorrow, which is Friday, because of the retreat. I'm gonna work out. I'm gonna make a really nice dinner for myself. I need to call my dad, and then wake up early to take some pictures of Taylor. For dinner, I just heated up some of this cauliflower gnocchi, which I just put with some sauce, basil, and tomatoes. Then I'm doing a little bit of salad, setting out my outfits for the shoot tomorrow. I'm so excited to wear these. These are both so cute and so fall. I think it's gonna be really fun. For breakfast, I am having a piece of avocado toast on this Ezekiel bread. I did an egg on top and then also another egg and then a nectarine. As you guys know, I was supposed to take pictures with Taylor this morning and she wasn't feeling so great. Those were canceled. I think I'm just gonna have Aiden help me take some pictures because I bought all this really cute fall stuff to wear for them. I'm gonna head out to meet up with my friend Isabel and we are going upstate. I have a really big pimple right there. Today is really simple. I'm just wearing this Nike hat. I put my hair up because I felt like being comfy. Like a loose button down top, really simple. And then I'm just wearing my Lululemon leggings and then my Asics. I'm here with Isabel. She's not gonna look at the camera because she's a safe driver, but I wanted to let you guys know we are upstate right now and it's really pretty. But yep, this is Isabel. We have been friends for like a year and a half now, maybe?
I would say like close friends.
Yeah. We met at King's and then Isabel left King's and so, but we stuck it out, we're still friends. I think tonight we're gonna get some Mexican food and then go to youth group with Isabel. We're hiking. It feels so good outside. It's like 65 degrees. You don't get this in New York City. Isabel, how much longer do you think we have?
Probably like 30 minutes.
Oh really? Oh, I thought I was sitting on this giant rock right now. It's literally been like 30 minutes, but. So I just got home. It was so fun visiting Isabel. It's about 4 o'clock right now. I actually have a couch that just got delivered. If you don't know, brand Burrow, basically it comes in these giant boxes and you can put it together super duper easily. But I'm still gonna get some help from my roommate Nadja and Aiden to come help me build it. So we're gonna do that within the next couple of hours. And then I think I'm gonna make some pizza with Aiden tonight. Our hike was so tiring today, but it was definitely really good. Today's Sunday. As you can see, we finished building our couch and it is so nice. Burrow sent me this couch to feature in a video. They're not sponsoring this, they're not paying me, they're not telling me what to say. They just said, hey Michelle, if you like it, feature it in a video. Burrow is a couch company where you can completely customize your couch, so you can pick like the cushion color, you can pick the leg color. Everything ships in boxes, it's free shipping. It's so easy to put together. Aiden and I last night, we had such an easy time putting this together. There were no real struggles with it. It was super easy. There's a 30-day trial, so you have 30 days, and if you don't like it, you can just ship it on back. All the materials are sustainable and you can pay for it across time if you want to finance it and you don't want to pay it all up front. I'll have the link to Burrow down below if you guys want to check it out. I absolutely love my couch and you'll be seeing it in lots of videos to come. I also hope you guys enjoyed watching this week in my life video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe and stick around. I'm definitely going to be posting a lot more. Also, feel free to let me know down below where you go to school if you are also in college. I love you all so much and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye friends.